What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. Starting the day off in LA, Los Angeles. Right now I'm trying to make my way to Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills. Kevin's there, the Lime Rock BMW. We're also meeting up with the green wide-body BMW that you guys seen in the last video. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out because that was the sickest video I think I've ever filmed. The traffic is horrible. I've literally been driving for 2 hours exactly. I'm not even joking, 2 hours. It's ridiculous. I'm so drained right now. I just want to go to bed, but I gotta make a vlog for you guys. I don't even know what we're gonna do today. I hit up Kevin, I hit up Max with the green BMW, and I was like, let's do something today. We're gonna meet up at Rodeo Drive, see what we can get into. We don't have no plans, but I'm sure we'll find something to do. There's a lot of car people out here, a lot of big car YouTubers out here. We'll figure something out. Hello. We do not want to run into any cops today. Hopefully not. All right, just made it to Rodeo Drive, and look who I run into already. That worked out perfectly. We already see a McLaren. Oh my god. And a GTR? What's up, bro? Hey, Nick. What's up, dude? Hey! Oh my god. Bro, he's freaking out over the E92s. Alright guys, we pulled up. We found the other homies with the GTR. What's up, Kevin? That guy was filming our cars. I know. He was hyped on us. We got Kevin's M3. We got a G-Wagon about to run me over. We got my M3. And we ran into these guys with the GTR. This thing's so sick. You guys know how much I love GTRs. Definitely my next car, I think. I'm pretty sure. And then Max pulled up. You guys recognize this from the last video. Wide body, 335, single turbo, 600 horsepower. This thing is sick. Max showing off his turbo to everybody.
That's the only flex I can do.
That's a good flex, bro. I wish I could do that. They want me to drive the GTR. I'm kind of scared though. No. I've never driven a GTR, bro. I don't know. Maybe we'll be driving a GTR right now. Max is gonna drive in it first, and maybe I'll take a little spin in it. I've never driven a GTR, but they're all like, bro, you gotta drive the GTR. You have to drive it. We literally just met. I don't even know who he is, but he's gonna let me drive his GTR. Woo. Look at this lineup. For real, that's what I've been saying, bro. It looks like Skittles. We got a whole rainbow out here. We're about to drive this GTR. I'm scared, dude. Like I said, I don't even know the guy, and he's letting me drive it. I'm telling you, the things we find in LA, you just come out here and you can kick it with a bunch of car people. We're in the GTR.
Oh, me.
Dude, this one's beautiful, dude.
Yeah.
What year is it?
17.
2017. I'm about to drive a GTR for the first time. I don't know what to do, bro.
Just put it in drive and you're good. It's in manual right now.
Alright, that's cool. I'm scared, Kevin.
You can push it as hard as you want.
Bro, are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. That shit pulls, dude.
Bro, it does.
Dude, all you need is an exhaust on here and that shit will be perfect. Oh, fuck. Dude, the first gear is where it's at. Dude, this thing's so nice, dude. Oh my god.
It's an animal, bro.
I think it's the fastest car I've driven.
For real?
It has to be, bro. Alright guys, first gear pull. Dude, that shit's fast, bro. Thank you for letting me drive it. This
bro,
it's sick, dude.
That's how we do here in the city, bro.
I did not know I was gonna drive a GTR today. Bro, first and second gear is so freaking fun. I can do that all day long. Oh my god, dude. Guys, this thing pulls so hard. It has to be the fastest car I've ever driven. It has to be my next car, Kevin. It's perfect, dude. It's comfy, it's fast. Bro, it spins all 4 tires. How is that even possible? Those dudes were cool. We just met them on Rodeo Drive. He let me drive the GTR, which is freaking sick. They're cool dudes though. We're probably gonna be kicking it with them in the future. That GTR was so fun to drive. That was the first GTR I've ever driven. My freaking dream car, to be honest.
That just goes, people have way too much money.
When people have way too much money. People's reactions to Max's car is hilarious.
It's honestly a piece of shit.
His car definitely stands out. Look at him. People don't know what his car is. Max found a friend. Woo! Look at this thing that pulled up. Oh my god, dude. That thing is amazing. And it's Tiffany. My favorite color. Liberty Walk kit on a Huracan. You never see that. I swear we keep running into more and more car people. Now we run into a Huracan Lamborghini. That thing's crazy. So we got a Ferrari, the Huracan, and all our BMWs in one shot. Bruh. This thing is wild, dude. What's up, dude? How are you, bro? Look how sick this is. Everybody's looking at the Huracan. Everyone's reactions to the Lambo is hilarious. For real, Skittles for real. Bro. We're making a whole scene on Rodeo. Oh my god, look who's behind us. I want a Lambo so bad. It's perfect. This colorway is perfect too. The gray with the Tiffany accents. It's insane. Guys, the lights go with the music. That is freaking crazy. They're about to do something really crazy. They're trying to stand on top of the Huracan. They're trying to pull off like this Aladdin standing on the roof as if it's like the Aladdin's carpet. This is what they're trying to do, guys. We got Aladdin on top of a Huracan.
Wait, he's gonna drive on here?
Yes, he wants to drive down Rodeo like that. The scary thing is that the roof is so flimsy and he can make a big old dent in the middle and the car has to move, which I don't know how it's gonna work. Bro, the things we find in LA. You guys saw this morning I had no plans. I was gonna meet up with Kevin and Max, and then we just run into a GTR and now we run into a Lambo.
This is gonna be wild, bro.
They're testing it out right now, but alright guys, they're finally doing it. We got Aladdin on top of the Lambo. Look at this dude. There is no way.
God damn.
I can't believe you guys pulled it off, dude.
That was sick.
That is so crazy. So yeah guys, I guess we're gonna go on a little cruise. And I think more Lamborghinis. I think more Lambos are gonna pull up, so that should be dope. Honestly surprised how we haven't ran into any cops today. And I hope it stays like that, because I do not want a ticket. GT3. Who do you guys think will win? The Porsche GT3 or the Huracan? I don't know, but I think I'm still taking the Huracan. Alright guys, I guess we're doing a little canyon run. I forgot my GoPro, so sadly no GoPro footage, but these are some sick ass cars. Which one would you guys take out of these three?
Lime rocks.
Nah. Would you take the orange one, the green one, or my red one? Comment down below right now. Bro, a tour bus just pulled up just to take some pics of the Huracan.
Want to sit in it?
Oh. This dude's making dreams come true.
It's his birthday, yo.
It's my birthday too, bro. Can I get in? Look at the lights, dude. It looks so crazy with the lights. We're pulling into the car wash, and the Lambo revved it, and look what's over there chilling. Oh no. He's telling him something. Cop was definitely not happy.
You don't have to be making all that noise. I was like, I'm sorry.
Bro, you revved it right in front of him.
I know. I was like, and the lights were on. He's like, oh, I saw you shut off the lights.
We got another Lambo here. 2 Lambos, 2 BMWs. What? It's bagged? No way, dude. Dude, this shit is insane. It's so loud, bro. It pulled up and it was popping, and those pops sound like gunshots. Oh my god. That's perfect, dude. Oh my god. That thing is so loud. Bro, we're getting pulled over. There's no way. You guys don't understand how scared I am to be driving with these guys. We're going back to Rodeo Drive. A lot of cops there, so hopefully we don't get pulled over. But as you guys can hear, that Lambo, the orange one, is so freaking loud. Bro, my ears, bro. Alright guys, we're back on Rodeo Drive 2 times in one day. That's a first. Look at this squad right now. I think these kids said Finding Nick.
Finding Nick!
What's up, bro?
Oh my god!
How are you, dog? Nice to meet you.
Yes, sir!
Hey.
Oh, that's cool!
You watch my videos or what?
Yeah, bro.
That's awesome, bro. Thank you.
Yo, you're E36, bro. That's
I almost brought it today. Almost. Dude, this thing is freaking insane. I don't even know what to say. It's the loudest thing I've ever heard in my life. It's so dope that it's back too. That's probably my favorite. Alright guys, we're out. Super long day. I've been in LA all freaking day. Literally since when I woke up. And luckily we get to drive home with him. He lives like, oh my god. His house is on the way to my house, so we're gonna get to cruise home a little bit on the way, which would be cool. But yeah guys, I'm gonna end the video right there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. A lot of things happened in this video. Overall guys, super long day, super fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit. Well, y'all catching feelings, I'm catching flights. Blowing flight on that overnight. Sleepless nights trying to cope with life, cause I can't understand it. No, I can't understand it, but why comprehend it? I'd rather just live it and see where it take me. Toughen me up, but y'all niggas can't break me. Got the clip off safety, and that's just for my safety. Niggas want a ball, but don't play D. Damn, I'm asking the Lord for protection.